Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering the perfect Portuguese chicken piri piri recipe. Can I nail that spicy flavor balance? Portuguese chicken piri piri, or frango grelhado as it's often called, is a dish that embodies the rich culinary heritage of Portugal. Its name might ring a bell, especially if you're a fan of spicy foods. This dish is famous for its bold flavors, thanks to the iconic piri piri sauce, a tasty mix from Africa and Portugal. Piri piri chicken is all about that perfect mix of spicy, smoky, and savory. The trick? Finding the right ingredients. Check out the recipe for chicken piri piri in my channel's posts, but make sure to watch this video all the way through first. Finding genuine piri piri peppers or even getting the chicken right can be a challenge. Some might struggle with achieving that perfect char on the chicken, while others might find the flavors not quite balanced. It's common to end up with a dish that's either too bland or overpoweringly spicy. The technique of grilling the chicken to perfection also requires a bit of finesse. And then there's the piri piri sauce. Store-bought options might not offer the depth of flavor that homemade can achieve. A killer piri piri chicken starts with top-notch ingredients. Go for high-quality, free-range chicken thighs or legs for the best flavor. For the piri piri sauce, you'll need a mix of piri piri peppers, garlic, ginger, lemon juice, olive oil, and some spices. When selecting piri piri peppers, consider their heat level and flavor profile. Feel free to tweak the sauce. If you can't find piri piri peppers, red pepper flakes work great as a substitute. Also, don't skip on marinating the chicken. It's crucial for that deep flavor. The cooking process is where the magic happens. Start by prepping your piri piri sauce and letting the chicken marinate for at least a couple of hours. When it's time to grill, medium-high heat is your friend. You want those beautiful grill marks, but you also want to ensure the chicken cooks evenly and thoroughly. A key technique is turning the chicken regularly and not rushing the process. The char you get from grilling adds a lot to the dish's overall flavor. If you don't have a grill pan can be a decent substitute. Recapping the steps, we've sourced quality ingredients, made our piri piri sauce from scratch, marinated the chicken, and then grilled it to perfection. The result is a dish that's not just delicious, but also rich in cultural significance. If you're a foodie looking to spice up your cooking routine, this Portuguese chicken piri piri recipe is a must-try. The combination of spicy piri piri sauce with smoky grilled chicken is sure to leave your taste buds wanting more. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this recipe, so don't hesitate to comment below. If you're on the lookout for more culinary adventures, be sure to watch my other cooking videos for delicious ideas to inspire your next meal. Don't forget to check out the ingredients and instructions in my posts. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next video.